Good morning, Year 4. Here are my hints and tips for our maths lesson today. Okay, so we're on week 4, lesson 2. This lesson's called Comparison, Sum and Difference. Okay, so the first thing I'd like you to do today is take the 3 words on the board, compare, sum and difference, and find the meaning of them. You can use Cambridge Dictionary online, and if there's more than one meaning, think about we're looking at the meaning in terms of its mathematical sort of concept. Okay, so pause the video, find the meanings, and then check against mine. So hopefully you should have found something like this. Compare means to check the similarity of two things in quantity. Okay, so that's the amount. Sum is the total resulting from addition, and difference is what is left after subtraction. So we can start to see the mathematical words of quantity, addition and subtraction coming in. Okay, so we can think about these mathematical processes linked to the words. So when we compare, we're looking at greater than, less than, same as, equal to. Okay, when we're looking to find the sum, right, we need to add the numbers to find their total. And when we're trying to find the difference, which is left after subtraction, you need to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, so our bigger number will go first, and then subtract the smaller number, and what is left will be the difference between the two numbers. Okay, right, so a few hints and tips for the questions on the sheet today. Okay, so if we look at the bar charts here, all right, always again read the information. Okay, look at the scale that it's going up in on the y-axis. All right, it's going up in 2s. Okay, and they've got the days of the week. All right, so my advice to you is, again, use a ruler, come along, make sure, and actually it's helpful if you write the value at the top of each bar, so it just makes it easy to see and you don't have to kind of recount or recheck. Okay, another one the same as yesterday. Okay, so you've got a pictogram, and each whole square is worth 4 points. So when you've got half a square, you need to think what that would be worth, and when you've got 3/4 of a square, what that would be worth. Okay, it might help you to actually write the value. Okay, so each of these whole squares is worth 4, right, and that's a quarter there, so what would that be worth? Okay, so that'd be worth 1, and then we've got 4 lots of 4 plus 1. Okay, it's just work systematically through the questions, through the information. Okay, for question 3, another pictogram. I'm not actually going through the questions, I'm just giving you a little tip. Okay, on making sure you read the information and think what it tells you. All right, so in this pictogram, each sunshine is actually worth 3 hours. Okay, so again, if you're systematic, you can think each of these is worth 3. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lots of 3. Okay, so that is a representation of 18 hours of sunshine. All right, so be systematic. Write the value at the end to help you so you don't need to keep counting it up. Okay, so here we go. This is question number 4. The table shows the number of men and women who watched 3 different films. All right, so here we go. And the first thing it asks you to do is complete the table. Okay, now you do have enough information here, all right, to enable you to finish a table. So for example, where we've got our total column, that will be the total of number of women and men who went to see film A. Okay, here we know the total who went, and we know the number of women. So if we find the difference between the numbers, we'll be able to calculate the number of men. Here again, we need the total. So we're going to add the number of women and men who went to see film C. And then once we've got to find the total number of women who went to see a film, the total number of, well, we've got the total number of men and the total number of men and women who went to see the films. Okay, so then you'll be able to answer questions. And last one today. Okay, so question number 5. The bar chart represents the number of goals scored by 4 footballers. Use the clues to complete the bar chart. Okay, you need to read the clues. Right, and here we can see the names of the footballers and the number of goals that they score. You need to work out what you are going up in. Is it ones? Is each square worth 1 goal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's not. Okay, so what must it be going up in? Each square must be worth how many goals? Okay, and you have enough information in these clues to be able to complete the bars for Aisha, Naya and Tom. Okay, all right, have fun. It's a quick video today.